Hey, this is J.R. Harris.
And Joe Cortiana.
And thank you for being with us in our Q&A on the questions homeowners have when facing foreclosure. This one's actually a tax-related, deficiency-related question. So what is the Form 982 with the IRS? And to give you guys a little bit more insight before I ask Joe the question, because I know he's been feeling a little bit of a bug, but he looks like he's feeling a little better. So I'm going to give him the full question. But before we do that, if you guys want to find this and Google it, you can do it on the Mortgage Forgiveness Act of 2007 and put in Form 982, and you'll hear exactly the same thing that Joe's going to tell us right now.
You don't have taxable income on your debt if it is a principal residence. And to qualify for a principal residence, you have to have lived in the home 2 of the last 5 years. Not consecutively, not the first 2, not the last 2, just 2 of the last 5. Now, should we talk about insolvency on the...
Well, the Form 982 is the insolvent form. So you have 2 sides of this coin. You have the side that is a primary residence,
Right.
and also that the fact that you've lived there 2 out of 5 years, and it's you get 1099 by your lender.
Right.
So you write off the taxes that you're presumed owed, or you have to owe the IRS with this. But this is sometimes for the homeowners that are insolvent, meaning in reference to
Investment
properties.
Right.
So the Act protects you as a primary resident, but if you're an investor, the investor has to do a balance sheet of how much you put into your investment, how much you've lost against that, and the Form 982 basically shows whether you owe the taxes on it.
Right. So if you're an investor in real estate and the first domino goes down and all of a sudden everything else is underwater, you can still do the short sales and be covered because you are probably insolvent.
Yeah, and basically insolvency just simply says is you owe more than you're worth, in a nutshell. So hopefully that answers your questions. If you do Google Form 982 with the IRS and the Mortgage Forgiveness Act of 2007, you get more information. Sometimes that government information is a little dry, so if you probably want to read it before bed, it'll be good. And hopefully we can see you guys on the other side. Hey, this is J.R. Harris, and I want to thank you very much for watching our videos. One of the most important parts is the reason we did these videos is to take action and to make things better than what they were yesterday, especially when you're facing foreclosure. So what we've done is we've put together what we call our home health analysis. This is the next step in the game here. So what that is that we have put together a series of questions to ask homeowners just like yourself the most important and exact questions you need to have answered in order to move forward and find financial freedom. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to go to www.homehealthanalysis.com, put your email and name in there, and take this quiz. This quiz is going to give you the exact roadmap of what to do and where to go next when facing foreclosure. There's about 17 questions. It should take you no more than 3 minutes, 180 seconds at most, and find out exactly what you need to know for your specific situation. Every situation is different, every person is different, every home is different, so I want to make sure that you know exactly what to do next. So we'll go to www.homehealthanalysis.com and take your questionnaire today. These questions that have been specifically made to make sure that you know exactly what to do. Now, here's the biggest thing is that 85% of homeowners find themselves in foreclosure and do nothing at all. So the first thing that you need to do is you need some answers and some direction on where to go next and what to do next. And more importantly, big banks right now aren't giving you the answers that you need because it's not about you. It's about them losing money, and they don't care enough about you to ask you the right questions. They ask you the questions that work for them, not the questions that work for you. So again, I need you to go right now to homehealthanalysis.com. Give me your email and your name and go through the 17 questions, and you'll get an instant answer to exactly what to expect and exactly what to do next. So it's a fantastic tool. It's free to you. It won't cost you a dime. And go take action and do it now. And we'll see you on the other side. Thank you.